Hands-on is an AI-powered volunteering platform. So, as a volunteer, we all want to find good opportunities for ourselves, but we also want these opportunities to align with our interests. Now, how this platform does this is as a volunteer, when you join the platform, you'll find different opportunities and you'll get a form which you'll fill, and then the AI will know what kind of opportunities you might be interested in the future, and AI will suggest them. So if you want to create an event, you can create an event. But if you join as a volunteer, the AI tracker, which basically uses OpenAI under the hood, will try to understand which events align better with your personality and then assign those events to you. And in the background, all these API calls to OpenAI are tracked by OPIC, so that those logs can be analyzed later to find if AI wasn't behaving appropriately at any point of time. Okay, so first, let's go through the demo. First, it will ask you to fill some data about yourself. So, I'm interested in something with dog and help people with mental disabilities. So, you can select your education, animal welfare, community development, animal care. You can select some options and are available on weekend evenings or weekend afternoons. And then the setup will be complete. So you will get different opportunities, and then if you want, you can select one. Now, cron job will run, which will also assign you different opportunities, and all these will be tracked by Comet API, and these logs will be available for the developers to debug later in case the AI or listener. Thank you.